In this video, you'll learn how to share a Notion member invite link on WhatsApp. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to invite members to your Notion workspace through a simple link shared via WhatsApp. Start by navigating to the Notion website and logging into your account. Once logged in, locate the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Here you will find the option for workspace settings. Click on this option to access the settings menu. After entering the workspace settings, look for the section labeled members or invite. It is essential to have admin permissions to proceed. This section will provide you with the options necessary to manage invitations to your workspace. Next, locate the button or link that allows you to generate the workspace invite link. Once you find it, click to create the link. Ensure that you copy the link securely by using the copy function, which is often activated by right-clicking and selecting copy or using the shortcut for your device. Before sharing the link, review the permissions associated with the invite. It is crucial to ensure that you do not share this link with unknown users, as this could compromise the security of your workspace. This step is vital for maintaining control over who has access to your workspace. Now, proceed to open WhatsApp on your mobile device. In WhatsApp, select the chat with the intended member or group where you wish to share the invite link. Paste the copied invite link into the message input field and send it. After sending, monitor the chat for any new members who join your workspace using the link. If you notice any misuse, you have the option to revoke the link to prevent further access. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.